Good morning, I am Shashi Gurun and welcome to online learning programming in C++. Today, the topic is related to returning array of structure from the function. In C++, the array can be passed directly as an argument in the function, but it cannot be returned directly from the function. So when the function is called, the local variable is declared there, like we have declared array in that function. So that is a local variable in that function. When that function returns the array, then this local variable is destroyed. So in order to retain its life throughout the program, the static keyword is used. The dereference operator is used before the name of the function and static keyword is used before declaring the array. This is a program related to returning of array of structure from function. Here the structure is created and two function is created, that is input and output. This is a function prototype. You can see that within the output function there is a pointer as you know that it holds the address of other variable. In the word main function, the pointer of the structure is created and the input function is called. Whenever the input function is called, this input function will be called. Here initially there is an array structure of size 3 which is of static type, and there is a for loop which is used to get the input from the user, and it will be executed for 3 times. After that, this function will return array of structure. As this is a array of structure, that's why we have used pointer in the function. After that, output function will be called, and in output function the parameter is passed which is a pointer. So this output function will be called. Here you can see that again there is a for loop and it will be executed up to 3 times. The initial value of I is equal to 0. After that the I will be 1. After that I will be 2. When I value is equal to 3, the condition is false and it will not execute the instruction within the body of the for loop. You can see that this is header file, this is structure, 2 members declared, roll number and name. This is a function input and this is output function. In word main function, this object is created. Here it is a pointer. Pointer, you know that variable which hold the address of other variable. So this pointer is calling the input function. This input function will be called. Within the input function we have used static keyword and for loop. This for loop is used to take input from the user for the 3 students, and after that it will return array structure. So I will run this program. The output is enter detail. It is asking for the roll number 1 Aditya, 2 Sanjeev, 3 Neeraj. So you can see that there is a output entered details, roll number 1 name Aditya, roll number 2 Sanjeev, roll number 3 name Neeraj. So today you have now understood how to return array structure from the function and why we are using the static keyword. So you make this program, run this program and see the output. Thank you.